Square matrices. See, matrices we are talking about because there are multiple matrices that can be square matrices. So square matrices are those matrices or those any matrix which has a row and column similar, exactly same. So when the rows and the column, if they are same, the number of rows and number of columns are same. For example, if I write matrix like this, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2. So you see 2 cross 2. So the row and columns are same. Row is equal to the column. So we call it as a square matrix. Here is also an example. We have 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. So we call it as 3 by 3 square matrix. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 10 by 10, 100 by 100. All these matrices are square matrices because the row and column numbers are same. Okay. So in various computation, we'll see it has to be square matrix depending upon, because I'll just write a matrix. See, 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 8. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns are there? 3 columns. So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. This is not a square matrix because the number of rows and number of columns, they are not same. So this is not a square matrix.